Good morning, dear kids. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine at your home. I know you all must have enjoyed Diwali vacation, right? So, I wish you all a happy Diwali and a happy New Year. Now, it's study time again, and today we are going to learn one more new script letter in English, and that is script letter J. J for Joker. J for juice. J for jellyfish. And J for jam. Now let's learn how to write script letter J.
Now let's see how to write script letter J in red and blue lines. First we have to make standing line from first blue line to second red line. Then make a curve and put a dot between first red line and first blue line. Script letter J. One more time. Standing line from first blue line to second red line. Then make a curve and put a dot between first red line to first blue line. Script letter J.
Children, in your ABC Fun B book, open page number 2020. Now, this is script letter J. J for jellyfish. Jellyfish is a water animal. J for jewelry. Children, आपकी मम्मा और सिस्टर ज्वेलरी पहनते हैं, राइट? J for jungle. Children, so many animals and birds live in a jungle. J for jacket. Are you wearing jacket in winter season? Right? J for jeans. Now children, let's revise one more time. J for jellyfish. J for jewelry. J for jungle. J for jacket. And J for jeans. Now come on to page number 2121. Children, here in this box, you have to draw J for Joker. Ma'am has already taught you, right? Now, we will trace this. Standing line from the first blue line. Come down, touch the second red line and make a curve. And a small dot between first red line and first blue line. Now let's write here. Standing line from the first blue line. Come down, touch the second red line and make a curve.
Now let's see how to write script letter J in red and blue lines. First, we will put 5 ticks. Now, next to the first tick, first blue line to second red line, make one standing line, then small curve, and here make a small dot in between first red line and first blue line, script letter J. Again, from first blue line to second red line, standing line, then small curve, put dot in between first red line and first blue line. Again we will write script letter J like this. See kids, how ma'am is writing? Same way you also have to write like this nicely. Okay kids, script letter J. Like this way you have to write neat and clean. Script letter J. Kids, same way you have to complete all these lines. Now let's draw J for Joker. First we will draw slanting line. then opposite slanting line and join with sleeping line. Now from here we will make curve like this. And in this triangle we will draw two slanting lines. And on the top from here draw small curve and make small circle. This way we will make joker's cape. Now from here we will draw two small circles like this for eyes, and here in between draw small circle for nose, and here we will draw smiley like this. Now from this side we will draw three curves. This side also we will draw three curves, and this is the coloring wig of Joker. Now from here draw two slanting lines and join with curves. And here also draw curves like this and join with slanting line. Kids, our Joker is ready. J for Joker.
Now exercise time. We will do this exercise. Write script letter J for the pictures that begin with J sound. So children, which picture it is? Yes, jacket. So does it start with letter J? Yes, so we will write here J. Children, always write J like this. Next, which picture it is? Yes, gift. Gift start with J? No. And this is butterfly. Does butterfly starts with J letter? No. And what is this? Yes, jellyfish. Jellyfish starts with letter J? Yes, so here in this box we will write J. Okay kids?